Is hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a cold Friday afternoon. So temperature ngayon is nasa 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Medyo gloomy talaga. Hindi pala medyo gloomy talaga kasi umuulan. Okay, hindi tayo sa labas kasi mag-unbox tayo and magte-test ng airgun na nabili ko sa eBay. Ang kakaiba dito, first time ko tong mag-feature ng vintage na airgun. So, last time pinakita ko sa inyo yung Crossman 357. So, nag-comment yung kaibigan natin si Tokayo. Sabi niya, vintage na yan. Sabi ko, may mas luma pa akong airgun. Ito yon. Pero may mas luma pa dito. So, exciting yan kasi marami ako nabili mga lumang airguns. So, although yung Crossman 357, hindi na yun available sa market. Pero naabutan ko pa yata yun 4 years ago eh. Ito, pinoduce to mula 1977 hanggang 1995 yata. Yan, yung ano to, based on a quick internet search. So, ang sabi ng seller, around 27 to 38 years old na daw tong airgun na to. Okay? So, isa pa, kaya excited ako, binuksan ko na agad din. Sorry, hindi ako nag-unboxing, no? Kasi yung seller nung binlang ko siya, naglagay pa siya ng ano, no, ng message na sana magustuhan mo. I'm sure magugustuhan. Are you gonna like it? Because I've tested it. Tinest daw niya to. Tapos pinalitan niya na yung seals and made sure na gumagana. I can feel it sa message niya na talagang enthusiast talaga siya, no? And siguro mahal niya tong mga airguns niya pero kailangan niya i-dispatch siya. And kanina nung pinalabit ko may CO2, so siguro tinesting niya. Wala naman siyang bala. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo, no? Ito nga, galing sa eBay. Yan, buksan natin. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Yeah. So the seller's name is Jeff. He sent me a message. Thank you for buying a good pistol from me. Leave positive feedback if you can. Jeff, pistol around 32. Oh no, I stand corrected. 32 to 35 per pistol manufacturing, 32 years to 35 years ago. So I stand corrected, not 27, 32 to 35 years. And this as a whole. So he tested it on this box. Okay, so this is the gun, but aside from the gun, he gave me this and has a note: shoot them inside fun. Thank you. 12 gram CO2, and these are BBs. Yeah, nice, good seller. Has a manual, Powerline model 1200. There you go, printed in the USA. 4.5 BB. No date on this. Anyway, and he also gave me this. Wow, thank you very much, Jeff. Safety glasses. This was not part of the deal, including this one. Like I said, thank you. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And you can feel from his message that he has pride in his products that I think he previously owned. Okay, so let me show you the gun. Like I said, open it up. This is it. Daisy 1200. It's on safe, cross bolt safety, Red is dead, so that's fire. That's safe. So this is safe. No BBs inside. Ah, this is where you load the BBs. Look at the condition of the gun. This is plastic, painted like wood. This is metal, probably metal alloy. It has open sights, rear sight, and fixed front blade sight. Barrel is recessed inside, so you don't see it. Other side, thumb rest, so it's like a target grip. On this side, look at the logo. Power line. Power line 1200. Power line 1200. It's where you put lanyard. So where you put your CO2 is, yeah, same side. Here, CO2. And this is loaded when he shipped it. Loaded with CO2. No BBs. Okay. Look at the condition. Look at the condition of a 30-year-old airgun pistol. He said he gave me the nicest of the bunch. I think he has 5 of these. Thank you very much. Especially the rear sight. Still in good condition. Adjustable windage. This is the screw. Elevation screw here. It's spring loaded. Yes. Again. Okay, let's shoot it. Okay, my paper target is over there, actually wet, and my can is here. So ear protection. Let's test the Daisy Powerline 1200. This is where you load your BBs, and using this copper coated BBs. Safe. The gun is unsafe. Let's see. How do I load without dropping the BBs? Or should I load it like this? That's faster. Two at a time. I think this is good. So this is not fresh CO2. The seller used the CO2 inside to test the gun. Safety off. Let's shoot the can. Eye protection. Here we go. Oh, you need to push this tab forward to load it, to charge it. There you go, it's charged. Ready? 1, 2. All right. Aha. One more. Charge it. Okay, it's penetrated inside. I can hear the BB inside. Okay. Inside. Okay. Okay, BB. The BB is inside. I'm gonna shoot that white target paper that's wet. See? Charge it. So this is single shot. What? I think I hit the bullseye, or I don't know, more than the bullseye. Oh, let's shoot the cans some more. Oh, it's bouncing now. It's inside. Almost hit my eye. Let me angle it. I'm too close. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. It's inside. Huh. Shooting the watermelon. Yeah, the watermelon. How do you use the gas without shooting? I want to empty the gas. Yes. Point it up. Point it up. I'm just, I think. There you go. I'm going to show it to you. I'm emptying the CO2. I think it's gone. Okay, now we can replace or remove. This is how you remove the CO2. Twist this. There you go. There. Put it back. We still have BBs. Let's check the targets. Okay, guys. Milk can. Oh, it went through. Okay. So this is a powerful BB pistol. It went through all the way. It's my backing wood. Wow, I like it. There you go. I went through. Let's see the accuracy. I was surprised with the accuracy. Ta-da! Wow, this is close. Huh. I like it. Okay guys, we're back inside because I said a while ago it's cold. It's cold. So, this is the Daisy Powerline 1200 vintage CO2 air gun, about 32 to 35 years old. Here we go. I like it. I like it. I was surprised because initially when I did airgun videos, I tried to stay away from BBs because I believe that pellets are more accurate, more powerful than BB guns, but you have to match your expectation with the gun. So for backyard plinking, BB guns are more than enough. Backyard plinking, and maybe when I go camping, I can bring one to plink some cans. It depends where you camp, okay? Uh, State parks doesn't allow you to shoot air guns. Okay, when I go camping in my property, okay? So this is a CO2 pistol. I have 3 of these. This one I have not tested. I got it cheap, but the rear sight is broken. I was thinking of making my own rear sight, but it's easier to install a red dot. So the rail on top is dovetail. Turn this on. Cheap red dot from Crossman. There you go. Huh. There you go. Okay, so I am very happy with this purchase, and another one is coming from the same seller because he checked and he tested the air guns before he sent them to the buyer. So this is working out of the box. This I got described as for parts or not working. So this is a project gun. Anyway, so I like the performance, I like the accuracy, I like the power. I was surprised that it went through and through the can of milk. I thought initially it's just gonna enter the can, but it went through and through. And accuracy wise, less than 30 feet. I almost hit the bullseye. 2 shots. So I think I have my favorite gun. So I think it adds that the what do you call this? You charge it or you load. This charges the gun and actually load the BB. I'm not gonna. Let me do the other one. So this charges the gun and load the BB. See the barrel. This is charged. This is empty. No BBs, no CO2. Okay. So I think it helps with the trigger pull because air guns, especially pistols, semi-auto pistols, that when you pull the trigger, you load the pellet or BB. Usually they are long trigger pull. They have a long trigger pull. So this, it shortens the trigger pull because you do the loading separately. You load the CO2 and you load the BB separately. So this is just the release. It just releases the BB and the CO2. So I like it. I like the trigger pull. I like the power. I like the accuracy. And I like that this is a vintage air gun. It means you cannot buy this anymore in the supermarkets or in other online stores. These are used air guns that people have taken care of for 32 to 35 years. So there you go, guys. Daisy Powerline 1200. I really like it. I'm excited. I want to shoot again, but like I said, it's cold outside. It is not suitable for CO2 shooting, CO2 air guns. So maybe I'm just gonna use this indoors with proper box top and proper safety measures in place. Alright guys, so that's it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Please consider supporting me on Patreon. Use my Amazon link. It will not cost you anything, but it will help the channel. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.